she is. All right, hi you guys, this is Sam from TWRC Wildlife Center. I have a very special thing for you guys tonight. We are in Willis, Texas, and we are about to release a purple martin back into her colonies. She came in several weeks ago with some minor wing injuries, and she has gone through the rehabilitation process, and we're very excited to release her right back where she came from into her colonies. So you guys can see all of these houses up here. These lovely, lovely landowners have these beautiful setups for our purple martin, so she is going right back to her colony. We're very excited to do that for her. All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna back up so we make sure we can see her. And we're gonna lift that box really up high and slowly turn it over. Purple martins are pretty special, and they need a little bit of gravity to help them get out and catch their air. So I'm gonna go ahead and come up real quick just to start to let this open up. And then all you gotta do is just pull that apart right there, and she's gonna come right out. All right, let's see her. There she goes.
Oh. Look at her. Oh. Wow, that's cool. Oh, wow.
We've got a few already circling for the night, getting ready to roost. There she goes.
She's right up there with them.
Right back with her colony, right where she needs to be. This is the best part of the job. This is why we do what we do. So thank you guys so much.
Well, no, thank you.
Thank you
For all
guys.
you do.